On the night of January 21st, around 11:45 pm, a white Tata Altroz was speeding recklessly while heading from BEL Circle to Gangamma Circle in the Jalhalli area. Police had set up a drunk driving checkpoint at Sahitya Kutta Junction, but the driver of the Altroz ignored their signal to stop, speeding through the barricade and colliding with a two-wheeler. The rider, Mr. Muhammad Sabuz, was knocked off his bike and sustained minor injuries in the accident. The driver of the Altroz did not stop to help and fled the scene. The Jalhalli Traffic Police registered the complaint and quickly formed two special teams to investigate. Using CCTV footage and tips from the public, they were able to track down the car on January 27th. The driver, Mr. Shrikant S. from Vidyaranipura, Bengaluru, was arrested. The investigation is still ongoing to figure out more details.